Experiment 1188. First conversation. All right. Hey, Theodore, how are your days going down here? I haven't visited you for a long time. How are you? Uh, okay. Listen, Catnap, you may not have gotten used to your new body yet, but understand, this is now forever. That boy named Theo is no longer there. You should get used to it, because it'll be better that way, won't it? Okay. Experiment 1188. Hello again. It's been quite a difficult week, hasn't it? But you did a good job, mate. I actually doubted the kids would love you, but amazingly, everyone adores you. The kids love you. What do you mean? I see him. You know, I don't very much understand what you're talking about. Let's be more specific. Prototype. Our God. Is this the one who tried to escape recently? God, listen, Theodore. Forget about him. You'll never see him. Hour of joy. Soon we'll be free. That's, scary. But unfortunately, in our hands, you are completely under control. Our eyes are on you, mate. Humble yourself.